Yo, it's your boy Young G from the Ville. You already know what it is. Young Cash over there.
From Live, Lyrically Insane Entertainment.
Yo, we about to drop a track called Food Stamps, Access on Deck. You know what it is.
It's for all the poor people that just can't buy stuff with money. So what they need to use, Gary?
Food stamps!
Yeah, you know it's your boy Will from the Ville, nigga. You know I keep that shit trill all the time. Shout out to my niggas, King Charles and in the Ville and shit. You know how we do, nigga.
Let's get it. Food stamps, 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 yeah.
Get the access card and go to the store. Got food stamps, but I'm still poor. Ain't got no money and I'm living in the hood, but I got my food stamps, so I'm all good.
It's the first of the month, food stamps in the mail. You already know I don't buy or sell. Walk to the store to go buy some food. First of the month and you know I'm in the mood. I stay with money on my food stamp card. You got 5 cents and you act real hard. Went to buy some chicken, my food stamps was missing. Went back home and looked in the kitchen. I said to my mom, my food stamps is missing. I said, Mom, can you stop and listen? I asked if she had some food stamps left. She said, hell no, I just sold the rest. Went upstairs and looked through my pants. Found my access and started to dance. I ain't got no job or I ain't got no money. I got food stamps, so it ain't nothing to me. Food stamps, food stamps.
Food stamps, bitch.
Food stamps, food stamps.
Food stamps, bitch.
Food stamps, food stamps. Food stamps, food stamps. Get the access card, go to the store. Got food stamps, but I'm still in poor. Living in money, living in the hood. But I ain't got food stamps and I'm living good.
Payday's okay, you get money in your pants, but there's nothing like when you get your food stamps. If you want your food, it ain't that hard. Just go to the store with that access card and get fried chicken and toasted strudels. I even use food stamps for ramen noodles. Tried to buy TV, didn't have the money, so I offered food stamps and they looked at me funny. They asked, do I sell food stamps? No, but I'll buy. I don't got money, so I trade yours for mine. My girl said, take me out. I said, what the hell? Yeah, if they sell food stamps, they gon' corral. Nothing in my house cause I'm poor, but it's cool. But if you open up my fridge, yeah, you know that it's full. Always got food stamps, but yet I'm still broke. People laugh at food stamps, but they ain't no joke.
Food stamps, food stamps, food stamps, food stamps, ha! Food stamps, food stamps, food stamps, food stamps, yeah!
Get the access card and go to the store. Got food stamps, but I'm still poor. Ain't got no money and I'm living in the hood, but I got food stamps, so I'm all good.
Ah, yeah! Hey, oh!
Food stamps.
Food stamps!
Food stamps on deck.
Yeah!